This is weird. I'm in the kitchen. So I am going to make fried chicken cauliflower. Okay, this is for the vegans, or if you want to experiment with different types of food at home, then you came to the right channel. Okay, but stop, pause. I have never made this before in my life. Yes, this is gonna be our first time together. I'm kind of gonna wing the recipe just a little bit. I don't really have all of the ingredients that I did want, but I am gonna let you know which ingredients I am substituting and what I'm substituting it for, or in what way. All right, here we go. Okay, I feel like all that took me forever. That's why the lighting has changed. Actually, it didn't really take that long for the lighting to change. The weather is weird right now. The sun is like basically going down already. So, also I realized that I didn't have any vegan milk. At least not for this recipe. I have vanilla almond milk. And no, that would definitely not work. I was just really trying hard to figure out what I could do to substitute that in the recipe. So I'm just gonna show you that when I get to that part. Like I said, this is like impromptu, so I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do. I kind of have an idea, but like I said, I'm gonna wing it, no pun intended. I'm starting with the whole head of cauliflower. Oh, how pretty. Look how they bloom. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna cut this. I kind of forget how you're supposed to cut a cauliflower, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take this part off. You're not supposed to rip it like I am. I'm just doing this because I'm an idiot. So this part is optional. So I just want to be more careful because I have a tendency to F things up. I can say the F word. I'm an adult, right? I'm gonna go in this thing like this at an angle because I just want to get the stump out. Twist, twist. It's been ages since I cut a cauliflower, seriously, and it wasn't like I used to do it all the time. Ugh, how stupid am I? Let's do this quick, fast, and in a hurry. Progress. Oh, shoot. Oh, thank goodness. Wow. Then you want to cut off the stalks. Stalks. Cut those things off, but you want to cut it in the form of like chicken. Shape it like chicken as much as possible, as well as you can. What? Do I speak English or no? I've been breaking this one down. I cut a bit more of the middle out, and I had to go get a smaller knife so that I can be even more precise. But you don't want them this big. Maybe you do, I don't know, but I don't. I'm gonna make these smaller. Make sure if you want to cut them smaller, cut it at the base. Like right at the base. You don't really have to cut all the way through. You can just pull it apart so it stays as fluffy looking as possible at the top. Oh, almost dropped them, but they're in pieces now. Yay! Next step. So I just put a small pot of oil on the stove for these because I don't think I'm gonna do them all. I just want some for myself. No need to have a huge like cast iron skillet or something. This will do just fine. So if you want to do a lot and see how much oil I put in, I didn't put that much. I don't really want to submerge the whole thing in oil. I mean, the oil's gonna rise anyway when I add them, right? That's science, isn't it? Okay, bye. While I'm heating the oil up, I'm gonna do this whole batter thing. Hopefully it works. I don't know. I wouldn't know anyways. I've never done this before. This is a half a cup of nutritional yeast. which I've never had before either. Like, I've seen people use it all the time, but I never use it. So this will be a first. They use this in a lot of vegan recipes, so I figured I'm gonna use it again, I'm sure. I feel like I want to taste it, but not really. I'm just gonna have to go with this recipe, okay? Whatever. I don't know. Half a cup of this. So let's get a lot of this dumb stuff going. Come on, it doesn't sound so great. A little more. Great. Half a cup, baby boo. Put it in my bowl. Oh, yeah. Now I'm gonna heat up a cup, quarter of a cup of water. Not like super hot, but warm enough to, you know, break down that nutritional yeast. Quarter of a cup of water. Damn it. Definitely more than a quarter. More than a quarter. Really? Quarter. I'm gonna heat it in the microwave for like 15 seconds. Get too hot. Okay. There we go. Is that hot enough? Yeah, it's warm enough. I just had to put my face near it. This better make a freaking batter, because whoever tried to lie to me, no, this is not doing it. As a matter of fact, it doesn't smell that great. But is this supposed to be eggy? I'm gonna season this batter too. This doesn't smell good to me, guys. I might skip it. It's low-key gross. It smells nutty. But again, it's low-key gross. I think I'm gonna yak. But I think it'll be fine for the chicken. Ugh, it better be. Otherwise I'm gonna be so pissed. I'm just gonna eyeball it because I know how much I'm making. And that's enough for me. Let's say this is about a cup. It's no big deal. You just gotta trust yourself, okay? So this is the flour. Probably should have sifted it. Probably doesn't matter. A little bit of cornstarch. Okay. Can you even see that? Yes, hopefully. I'm not gonna do that much. That was probably too much. No, it's okay. I'm telling you guys, this smells funny. So I'm just gonna add this. This is pre-mixed seasoning. I just want a little bit of something in the batter. So I'm just gonna do that because I don't know about that stuff. But I know that seasoning is good. It's just like a steakhouse seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you want in this. ¿Qué? I'm gonna show you. It's right here. It's what you use. Just a little bit because that stuff. And this is kind of spicy. I forgot, but that's okay because I like me some spice. Okay. Smells slightly better. And you're gonna put your basics inside the flour. Can you see me? There you go. Which is garlic. I'm low-key hungry. I don't even feel like doing all the seasoning that I wanted to do, but I'm gonna do it. Onion powder, a little pepper. That other stuff had some pepper in it. A little bit of salt. I like to eyeball. Sorry. Chili powder. Doo-doo. I put a little of that nutritional yeast mix because I don't trust it. Not right now, I don't. That's the good thing about just making a little bit right now because that way I don't mess up all of my cauliflower on something that may or may not work. That was a lot of cumin, whatever you want to call it. Get that. I just put a little bit in. I didn't put all of that in the flour, just put the rest in the batter just now because I think I put a little bit too much. I'm sorry I'm not in the frame, guys. Not in the correct way. I'm all jacked up today. I've been sick for the past 2 days. I'm not all there mentally. I'll mix that stuff together. Mix that stuff together. Ugh, just splashed in my freaking thirst. Mix this. Probably should have used a fork. See, even my brother was like, what's that smell? It's that book. I'm gonna put this back on the heat. I took out the heat because I was afraid your girl was gonna burn down the kitchen. Take a look at that. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so effing scared. Dee dee dee. Okay, first piece. Double coat. Ooh, I'm scared. It's definitely frying. Now we're cooking. Look at this. This really looks like chicken fries. This is just my last couple of pieces. I'm gonna flip them around. Ah! Splatter. Hey, 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 hey. So let me just show y'all what I whipped up real quick. This is what I did. Deceiving as fuck. Like, it's so crispy. Like, you hear that? They're still hot. I'm about to put that down. Oh my gosh. Tell me that doesn't actually look like chicken, my nigga. Don't play. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I already tried some, and I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't record myself eating it because I kind of forgot. I literally ran out the kitchen, like, I'm ready to eat. And then I was like, I should probably record myself eating some so you know, like, that I enjoyed it. I just had a little bite, and it actually, if you went from eating meat to being vegan, this is definitely a great substitute for fried chicken. Seriously. But it's crunchy. I'm not even lying. Like, fire. Straight vegan fire. Mmm. Girl. Girl. I'm about to go eat. So, I'm gonna have to do some more of these vegan recipes. Mmm.